Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. It's cooking time. My menu today is ang ganap ng sinigang salmon. May salmon, head salmon. I just put the kangkong. They don't have lettuce today. Kangkong is rich in vitamins, nutrients, minerals, good for digestive system, to boost immunity. And the salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acid, good for heart health, to help circulate blood pressure, circulate the blood, to control blood sugar, hypertension, good for to control blood sugar also. Rich in omega-3 fatty acid, the salmon. This is my meal today. A healthy sinigang salmon. They don't have the little to do the fry. I buy only kangkong. Hey guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment, subscribe, and forget to subscribe. Thank you very much, guys. I saute the salmon before I put the Are you gonna take a bath na? Okay. Ang ganap at sinigang salmon. Yung binili natin. Mabalian ka ng mainit na tubig dito? Kung ka muna.